Hi guys, this is Miss Curran. I want to go through lesson 1 for the week of Tuesday, March 31st through Friday, April 3rd. So you'll notice lesson 1 is right here at the top. It should take approximately 1 day, which means 30 to 40 minutes depending on how quickly you work. The learning target is that you are going to explore some of the learning tools we'll be using for digital learning. I want to give you the opportunity to get back into the swing of things, tell me kind of what you've been up to, and work out any of the issues with our access to internet and stuff like that. So for your engage question, instead of having a question, you have a Google form. So you'll just click on the link, it'll open it up, and it takes you to a Google form. Just kind of ask you how you're doing, how are you feeling about things, and then gives you kind of a space to comment on anything, any questions you have, any comments, anything you need me to know, or even just want me to know if you need me to reach out, anything like that. This is just your time to kind of tell me how you're doing. So once you're done with that, you'll go into the objectives. You'll end up making a copy of this Going Digital assignment. So when you open this, it should open up something that looks like this, and you'll want to click Make a Copy. And this may take a few minutes, so let it kind of be, and it will open up the assignment that looks like this. You will want to, once it finishes loading, you will want to add in your name to it. So like I would put current copy of Going Digital assignment, and then I might even organize it later on. Now, for this assignment, this is just another kind of check-in for you. I'd like you to insert a picture representing what you've been doing with your time off. Doesn't necessarily have to be a picture of you. It can be if you want it to. It could be a GIF. It could be anything that kind of represents just what you've been doing over the past few weeks. In the next question, I'd like you to describe your access to technology. So do you 100% have access to a computer and Wi-Fi all the time? Is your Chromebook yours? Or are you sharing with a parent or sibling? Are you having to go to a library or something like that? What kind of access do you have? And then because we are unsure of how long this whole digital learning thing is going to be going on, I would like you to create some goals for yourself on this new adventure. So list 3 goals that you have for digital learning, and then tell me one thing you're excited for when it comes to digital learning. And then please make sure your name goes up here so you can just type in here. Once you're done with that, you're going to click where it says share. You're going to click get shareable link, and you want to change this to anyone with the link can comment, and you will copy the link, and then you'll just paste that link right here, and that way I can access it and I can give you some feedback. For your exit ticket, I want you guys trying to work with Flipgrid, which is another tool we're going to be using through digital learning, and I want you guys to kind of practice with it today. So you're going to go through and open it up, and it'll ask you to log in with like Google. You'll go in, log in with your Google account, and then it'll open up hopefully this practice post. This tells you what you're going to share: your first, last name, birthday month, favorite food, favorite animal, a place you'd like to visit and travel. And then if you can, I'd like you to reply to at least one person's post. Basically, you're going to come here, you're going to click on this button, and you'll record a response that answers those questions. This is just a practice for you so we can get used to using this type of technology. And that's it for lesson 1. So if you struggle with anything or have any questions during the day, I am available through email from 9 to 11 and then 12 to 3. So please feel free to send me an email. I'll respond fairly quickly to make sure I can help you guys out. And then I'll come in and check how you did for today. If there's anything else, please just let me know. I can't wait to see your responses and see how everything is going.